she's gone. There are a few kids having a great time yesterday evening in there. It's lovely. And there are 2 hot tubs for guests. No booking, just dive in. Okay, this is our stopover in Kaikoura. Just loading up the car and packing up. Next we're going to Picton to get the ferry over to Wellington and the North Island. The beds were quite comfy, the usual double and single electric blankets on the beds and some air conditioning. We didn't use that. It was a bit chilly at the night, but we didn't need the electric blankets, but not aircon. It's a very smart, clean little place. Microwave. This is one of the cabin accommodations with bathroom and kitchen area. Got the shower room. Quite nice shower room. Taken full advantage this morning. Both had a good shower in case the next place isn't so nice. A little hot plate and all the cooking, cutlery, plates, etc. that you need. We stayed here for 2 nights so we could take it a little bit easy. Yesterday went out the whale watching. Saw some sperm whales, a humpback whale, loads of dolphins. They were lovely, chasing the boat and dancing, and some birds, albatross. Nice trip. A bit rough on the sea, but we took sea sickness, had this, so we were fine.